Hey, Fit friends, have you ever tried tempeh? See, I've cut some up. They look like little, so what they are, they're soybeans jam-packed. They've been fermented and they've been jam-packed, pressed into like a cake. You can find them in the grocery section, usually a long rectangular package.
At Kroger.
Yeah, we get ours at Kroger.
They're so disgusting.
Yeah, Gio says they're so disgusting. Gabo, on the other hand, can eat them up. What do they taste like? What does it taste like? Nuts. Do you like nuts?
Dried nuts with a little flavor to them.
Dried nuts with a little flavor to them. So hey guys, my name is Mary. I have been, let's say about 20 years ago, I tried going vegan because I wanted to be vegan, and it didn't really work out for me that great.
Hi, this is
I got
Gio.
really sick
What?
because of a lack of nutrients. I had no idea how to eat plant-based, and I spent many years researching on what kind of diet would actually work for me. I don't claim to be vegan now. That's just not what works well for me, but I do love to eat a lot of plant-based products, and tempeh is one of them. So tempeh, like I said, is a fermented soybean that's been packed into a cake. It's unlike tofu, which has been processed. So when it's been processed, it loses a lot of its nutrients, it loses protein, and Gio thinks it's gross.
And it's good with purple.
Well, yeah, we're going to show them that in here in a minute. But so tempeh has the same protein quality as meat. This little square right here, I've cut it up already, but this square has about 18 grams of protein in it. It also contains high levels of vitamin B, vitamin B6,
vitamin
3, and 2. It helps to reduce your cholesterol, and it contains probiotics. So when you ferment food, like I'm trying this new thing of fermenting nap cabbage and cucumbers in the basement, it contains probiotics, and the probiotics help to reduce illnesses and boost your immune system. So how do you cook tempeh? I like to toast my tempeh a lot because it's really fast. So for lunches the next day, what I'll do is I'll toast tempeh and just throw it in my salads. I'm having leftovers for lunch. We call them purple noodles. Basically, I've got some whole grain, gluten-free pasta with purple cabbage. We put it all together and it turns the purple's noodles. It turns the noodles purple. And then I sauteed some tempeh, and I'm going to put it in my purple noodles.
And it doesn't make you full.
No, it doesn't give you that bloaty feeling, right?
So you can eat lots of it and you'll never get full.
Never get full. So you can also throw it in your stir fries. Tempeh takes on the flavor of whatever you're cooking with. Are you eating my lunch?
Yeah.
I'm hungry, dude. So, if you want to marinate it with soy sauce, ginger, fresh ginger.
Yummy.
We like to use are you seriously eating my lunch? Hot peppers. You can marinate in that sauce and then put it maybe in a lettuce wrap. That would be great. Or just simply in soup. So I made some butternut squash soup last week. It was curried butternut squash soup. And then I just added tempeh in it for my protein. So again, let me know, comment, are you willing to try tempeh? Have you tried it? Do you like the flavor, the texture? What do you think about it? Seriously, you're eating all my lunch. All right, guys, let me know if you're willing to give this a try, and how do you like to eat it? Peace out.